Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of October 9th, 2021. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Postal Day. World Postal Day is celebrated on October 9th every year to raise awareness among people about the role of the postal sector for people and businesses every day. Going to the current affairs, the first question is, who among the following becomes highest Indian wicket taker in a single season? The options are A. Jasprit Bumrah, B. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, C. Yuzvendra Chahal, and D. Harshal Patel. And the correct answer is D. Harshal Patel. Harshal Patel becomes highest Indian wicket taker in a single season, and he is from Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And the second question is, which of the following country lunar mission Chang'e-4 has completed 1000 Earth days on the moon? The options are A. Russia, B. Europe, C. China, and D. India. And the correct answer is C. China. China's lunar mission Chang'e-4 has completed 1000 Earth days on the moon. Chang'e-4 lander carrying the Yutu-2 rover touched down in Von Karman crater in 2019 and had completed the 1000 days on the moon mark on September 28, 2021. The Yutu-2 rover has covered a total of 839.37 meters of lunar ground. Yutu-2 has set a new longevity record for a rover working on the surface of the moon, surpassing the previous record of 321 days set by the Soyuz robotic Lunokhod 1 rover. The solar-powered spacecraft regularly shut down during the lunar night 14.5 Earth days. And the third question is, who among the following is awarded 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature? The options are A. Benjamin List, B. Abdul Razak Gurnah, and C. David Macmillan, and D. David Julius. And the correct answer is B. Abdul Razak Gurnah. The 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded to the Abdul Razak Gurnah. Gurnah has published 10 novels and a number of short stories. The theme of the refugees disruption runs throughout his work. And going to the fourth question, who among the following is the youngest player to complete 1000 runs in T20 innings? And the options are A. Priti Mandana, B. Shafali Verma, C. Jemima Rodriguez, and D. Richa Ghosh. And the correct answer is C. Jemima Rodriguez. Jemima Rodriguez, youngest player to complete 1000 runs in T20 innings. Jemima reached 1000 runs in T20 innings cricket at the age of 21 years 32 days. Jemima becomes fourth Indian woman to complete 1000 runs in T20 innings. Mithali Raj becomes leading run scorer for India in T20 innings with 2364 runs. And the fifth question is, who among the following represented India in the 13th annual International F20 conference was held on 6th October 2021? The options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Amit Shah, and D. Piyush Goyal. And the correct answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. The 13th annual International G20 conference was held on October 6, 2021. India was represented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And the sixth question is, which of the following released multilingual dementia research and assessment toolbox in 5 Indian languages? Mudra. And the options are A. DRDO, B. BART, C. HAL, and D. ICMR. And the correct answer is D. ICMR. ICMR released multilingual dementia research and assessment toolbox in 5 Indian languages to expand the care and outreach to people suffering from dementia. Mudra toolbox launched in Hindi, Bengali, Kannada, Telugu and Malayalam. Mudra toolbox project is led by the ICMR Neurocognitive Toolbox Partnership. Dementia is a neurological illness which affects the ability of a person to perform activities of daily living. Currently, more than 5.29 million persons are living with dementia in India. By 2030, number of dementia patients is expected to reach 7.61 million. And going to the seventh question, which of the following state has launched the Swachha program? The options are A. Delhi, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Kerala. And the correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jagannath Reddy has launched the Swachha program. The state government will provide good quality branded sanitary napkins to female students at government educational institutions free of cost. 10 sanitary napkins will be given every month to about 10 lakh adolescent girls. And the eighth question is, which of the following country announced its plan to send a probe on an asteroid between Mars and Jupiter? The options are A. UAE, B. Russia, C. Oman, and D. Japan. The correct answer is A. UAE. UAE announced its plan to send a probe on an asteroid between Mars and Jupiter. Project will be launched in 2028 and will landing on asteroid in 2033. During a 5-year journey, spacecraft will travel around 3.6 billion kilometers. If this mission is successful, UAE will join the allied club of the EU, Japan and the USA. These countries have already completed its mission, either an asteroid or a comet. UAE will partner with the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics of University of Colorado to develop this project. Laboratory will offer a cost and describe what particular features of the asteroid to UAE's space agency. UAE has also planned to send an unmanned spacecraft to the moon in the year 2024. UAE has also set the ambitious goal of building a human colony on Mars by 2117th year. And going to the sports news, Anshu Malik becomes first Indian woman to reach World Championship final. 4 Indian women wrestlers have won medals at the World Wrestling. Geeta and Babita Pogart, Pooja Danda and Vinesh Pogart have clinched bronze. Anshu became only the 6th Indian to make the world's gold medal match. India has only one world champion in Sushil Kumar till date, who won in 2010. And going to the awards section, International Hockey Federation's FIH Hockey Stars Award 2020-2021. Gurjit Kaur named the FIH Women's Hockey Player of the Year. Savita Punya named FIH Women's Goalkeeper of the Year 2020-2021. George Marine named FIH Women's Coach of the Year. Harmanpreet Singh named FIH Men's Hockey Player of the Year. T.R. Srijesh named FIH Men's Goalkeeper of the Year. Graham Reid named FIH Men's Coach of the Year 2020-2021. Vivek Prasad named FIH Men's Rising Star of the Year. Almost 3 lakh fans casted the votes in the FIH Hockey Stars Award. And national associations 50%, media 25%, fans and players are 25%. The voting process began on August 23rd and was completed on September 15, 2021. The awards this year considered the period from Jan 2020 till the Tokyo 2020. And coming to the one-liners today, Shoaib Malik becomes first Pakistani and Asian batsman to complete 11,000 runs in T20. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways notifies to set up a National Road Safety Board. World Health Organization approves world first malaria vaccine RTS-A S01. NASA has announced to launch Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART spacecraft. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.